Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my page, welcome to my channel. My name is Liz if you're new here, and if you're my old subscriber and you're one of those people that gets the ding whenever I upload, I welcome you to the page and you have a special place in my heart. So today I just want to talk about the different ideas, video ideas. If you're a YouTuber, if you're starting out and you're looking for all these video ideas, today I just want to share with you what I think is going on, is trending 2021, and you don't want to miss out on this. So I mean, if you enjoy this type of videos, remember to subscribe so that whenever I upload, you are notified. So let me see here. I have written all these. So one is routines. If you're into lifestyle like me, if you do a morning routine, you can do your evening routine, your day in life. All those do very, very well on YouTube. The second one will be if you do reviews, you know, like a book review, a product review, anything. You can do reviews on something you've used, Amazon, whatever. Those are doing really, really well on YouTube as well. And then you can go to fashion if you like fashion, and you can also show your fashion, whatever you love to show. And so then you also go to clean with me. People like to watch videos to motivate them. So if you're doing also lifestyle, or you like that type of videos, do a clean with me. You can do another one. You can do try-ons, like clothes try-on or haul. Those ones also are doing really, really well. You can do makeup tutorials if you like makeup and fashion and stuff like that. Do makeup tutorials. You can do hair care tutorials if you like natural hair, whatever hair, or you're doing it for your child, stuff like that, to motivate people, also to teach them. You can also do recipes. You can do cooking videos. So if you have a special recipe, you can do that. Then also look at weight loss. People are struggling with losing weight. So if you have a journey, a story, something to inspire people, go ahead and do those. Those are doing really, really well. Something that people can search for. So if you're into entertainment and you're doing this type of things, you can also try to do some sort of entertainment, something fun. And another one would be workout videos. People love workout videos, so you can do those, are doing really, really well on YouTube. Then you can also do unboxing stuff, unboxing products like a phone, like a laptop, a gadget, whatever you're setting up in your studio, something like that. Then also you can do a reactions video. These days, that one is a #1 thing to do. I haven't done it, but I think one day I will. So you react to a video. So look up those, and those will do really well as well. Then what else? You can also do how to grow on YouTube, how to get to 100 subscribers, how to get to 1,000 subscribers, how to avoid these things on WhatsApp, everything like that will do really well. Another one would do, you can do organizational tips, like your bedroom organization or your living area, your kitchen setup, stuff like that. You can also do another pranks. I mean, if you like to do pranks, I pranked my husband, I pranked my girlfriend, I pranked my friends, things like that. People love to watch drama. And then also, if you do what I got for Christmas, you can also do the gifts you got for a certain special day. You can do what I got for my birthday, what I got for Christmas, what I got on Valentine's Day, what I got on anything special to you. Those people love to do. You can also do challenges. So like there was a trending one that was a jump rope challenge. So you can do things like that, and people will search for them, and you get tons of views. If you're into real estate, you can do house tours. You can show a house within this range. You can do so many things. And I mean, I think that's what I wanted to share with you guys. You can do things like how to make a nice YouTube thumbnail. I mean, there are tons and tons of ideas, but I just wanted to share briefly one of those that you could do, and you do really, really well on YouTube. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching again. I'll see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.